So peeps, there's a train and Charity and I are getting on it.
Good morning.
Good morning, how are you?
I'm good, thanks. How are you?
Doing well, thank you. So if you're wondering how we got here, I want to show you right now. So we are heading out to Agawa Canyon, but first we need to get to Sault Ste. Marie. The trip to Agawa is tomorrow, and the ride today, the drive, is about an 8-hour stretch, so let's get to it. So we just got on the 400 north and it just started coming down with rain. The weather has been chaotic lately, so we're just gonna have to wait it out. So that outlet mall you just saw was something we used to go to maybe once a month as a child. My mom was always on this huge shopping spree and she's a sucker for a good deal. So we drive all the way out here, which is like a good hour and a half away from home, just to see if we can buy something that we didn't need at all. It just stopped raining. It's looking gorgeous. I hope that the weather picks up from here.
Some too.
So the weather turned for the better actually. It stopped raining altogether and just got stunning outside, so we had to find an opportunity to fly this guy, seeing as these are the perfect sort of areas to do it since there's nobody around. You don't have to worry about animals or any sort of buildings or whatnot. So I hope you guys enjoy this drone footage. Alrighty, just got here. The Microtel Inn Hotel. Isn't it cute? I like it already. Let's go get our cards and stuff, grab our bags. Here we go. let's go on a train trip. Can I get a thumbs up? I live in. Show me. And now we're here. This is our last shot to sort of get away, Charity and I, just the two of us, before things start changing, doing what we can do to enjoy life at the same time, you know what I'm saying? So, this is our trip to Agawa Canyon. Do me a favor, let's try to get 15 likes today. So just hit that thumbs up button if you can. There's not going to be any plumbing in this video. Obviously, it's just going to be a trip away. So I hope you guys enjoy. If you're not into the trips and you just want the plumbing, come back to the next vlog and you'll be able to see that there.
Served on a ciabatta bun, then return trip until about 4:30.
I didn't realize how hard it is to walk on trains, but it's ridiculous. Eating a little bit, but we're getting to the canyon now. I'm gonna change my batteries and we're gonna do like a 40-minute hike to get the best parts of it. So let's get to it. So we just got here. Now we gotta hike to get to the lookouts, which is typical of places like this. And then hopefully we can get some drone footage. Unless somebody stops us, we'll see about that. So we have this awesome hike to do in this very forested area. The flies are a little bit more, say, adamant about biting you. They're a bit aggressive here. So I want to tell you guys, if you're ever going to Agawa Canyon, watch the flies. They're ready for you. You know what I mean? Well done. I think we made it, but not unscathed. How about a smile? legitimately got eaten alive. Guys, legitimately, there were like at least 80 flies around me while I was getting all the footage. Look at my arms. Can you see it all? Look at that. Look at that. So as I was flying, Charity was swiping off all the flies because she loves me. Almost as much as those flies love me. I looked down and all of a sudden I was bleeding. Man, they're angry here. They're angry, they're hungry. You know what I'm saying? And they know that the prices on the train are expensive. So I know it was a short vlog. I think I'm done for the weekend. We're gonna enjoy the rest of our trip. I hope you guys enjoyed. I hope it makes you guys want to come out to Agawa Canyon. It's very beautiful, but bring a ton of bug spray.